Dear participants, on behalf of Tilak College of Education, Pune, I welcome you all for a massive open online course on basis of educational guidance and counseling. Participants, please note that this course is a part of UNESCO's online mentoring program. The course is available on Canva platform and the registration link for the same is shared with all of you. Please note that there is no course fee involved and the duration of the course is 30 hours. The course will be counted for 2 credits and the dates of the course being available are 27th April 2024 to 26th June 2024. Today, we'll be diving in more into Module 1, that is Basis of Educational Guidance and Counseling. But before we proceed further, I would like to bring it to your notice that this course is catering to sustainable development goals. As we all know, the United Nations members in 2015 had created 17 World Sustainable Goals, and this course caters to goal number 3, that is good health and well being, and goal number 4, that is quality education. Today, under Module 1.1, we are going to understand the concept of guidance. The learning objective of these modules are to understand the meaning of guidance, to understand the definition of guidance, to understand the meaning of educational guidance. Guidance is a very commonly used word, but technically, what does guidance mean? What is the meaning of guidance? Guidance is based upon a philosophy of human uniqueness, goodness, worth, and dignity, all of which can be nurtured. The guidance processes are based on the belief that, given certain conditions, an individual's potential to make a choice and make a decision can be utilized for maximum benefit of the individual and the society. Guidance can mean steering, like a navigation system in a satellite, or it can also be counted as an act of providing direction. Most often, we see explaining it to our friends or our relatives when we have overcome a crisis or when we have overcome certain challenges. We tell them, Are, try to do this, try to do that. That is how it is. Guidance is trying to show a path to somebody wherever they are stuck or they feel they need guidance, they need clarity. So, to guide means to indicate, to point out, and to show the way. It means more than to assist. The synonyms to guide are to lead, to conduct, to regulate, to direct, to steer, to show, to channel, and to point. Guidance also involves personal help given by someone. It is designed to assist a person to decide where he wants to go and what he wants to do or how can he best accomplish his purpose. It assists him to solve the problems that arise in his life. It does not solve problem for the individuals, but it definitely helps them to solve it. The focus of guidance is the individual and not the problem. Its purpose is to promote the growth of the individual in self direction. This guidance may be given to groups or to individuals, but it is always designed to help individual, even though they may be in a group. We have seen our initiators, our nearby, our neighbors telling us, "Oh, you must drink so much so water. Oh, if you have diabetes, you must do this." This is also directly or indirectly giving or showcasing a path. It can be counted as a part of guidance. Now, let us look into what is the definition of guidance. As said by Ruth Strang, guidance is a process of helping every individual through his own efforts to discover and to develop his potentials for his personal happiness and social usefulness. John Brewer rightly said that Guidance is a process through which an individual is able to solve his problems and pursue a path suited to his abilities and aspirations. Woodworth rightly said that guidance helps an individual to develop his personality and enables him to serve the society to the best of his capacity and talents. Now, let us also look into what is the meaning of educational guidance, because as we all mostly are belonging to the educational faculty, let us see what does the meaning of educational guidance mean. Educational guidance is a process of assisting the individual student to reach optimum educational development. It also helps the students to make a right choice as well as make adjustments in relation to society, school, curriculum, courses, and the school life, which helps them to contribute to the all round development. So, if we have to gist it up, if we have to summarize it, educational guidance is to advocate, it is to provide counseling, assessment, recommendation, and to give advice. Now, let us look into what is the definition of education guidance. According to Mears, education guidance is a process concerned with bringing about between a pupil what is his distinctive characteristics on the one hand and different opportunities and requirements on the other, a favorable setting for the child's development or education. As rightly said by Arthur A. Jones, educational guidance can be considered as the assistance given to pupils in their choices and adjustments with relation to schools, curriculum, courses, and school life. Rostrand regards educational guidance as something intended to aid the individuals in choosing an appropriate program and making it in progress. Dear participants, I hope we have now understood the meaning of guidance, the concept of guidance, the definition of guidance, the meaning of educational guidance, and the definition of educational guidance. I wish you all the best.